Hi everyone. They had to replace the tire. Because it could not be patched. And now my low tire light's on. Said it was too close to the edge of the sidewall. So it could not be patched. So they didn't know how to do it. But they did fix it. They just replaced the entire tire. And my low tire light's on because it's saying that it's at 34 pounds and it's supposed to be at 36. But as it warms up, the tire pressure light should go off. And it did. Because he said they also had to replace the sensor because that screw, I guess, damaged the sensor as well. Tire pressure sensor. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.